Understanding punch-drunk, the quirky English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, punch-drunk. If you've heard someone being described as punch-drunk, you might picture them in a boxing ring, but there's more to this phrase than meets the eye. So, let's dive in and explore this interesting expression that's not only about sports but also about life and feelings. The term punch-drunk originally comes from the world of boxing. It describes the confusion and disorientation that boxers feel after taking multiple punches. However, the use of punch-drunk has expanded beyond the ring. It's often used to describe a state of bewilderment or confusion caused not by actual punches, but by life's figurative blows, like too much work, too little sleep, or just the whirlwind of everyday life. Punch-drunk is an adjective and can be used in various contexts. For example, after working a double shift, I was feeling totally punch-drunk. The team was punch-drunk with victory after the unexpected win. In these sentences, punch-drunk communicates a state of exhaustion or elation that leaves someone feeling out of touch with reality, much like a boxer might feel after a dizzying match. It's interesting to note where and when punch-drunk first came into use. The phrase dates back to the early 20th century when the connection between repeated head injuries and cognitive decline in boxers was first observed. Over time, punch-drunk became part of the broader English lexicon, adopted to describe any kind of stupor or confusion resembling that of a boxer's post-fight haze. You might also encounter punch-drunk in films, books, and songs. It even inspired the title of a movie, Punch-Drunk Love, which tells the story of a man who's awkward, socially confused, and navigating the complexities of love. This shows how the term can be effectively used to depict characters who are overwhelmed by their circumstances or emotions. And there we have it, punch-drunk, in a nutshell. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. It's a colorful way to describe the feeling of being slightly out of sync with the world, for better or for worse. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel anything but punch-drunk right now. See you in the next video.